you don't like your results, change your approach. There are two things needed these days. First, for rich people to find how poor people live, and second, for poor people how to find how rich people work. One of my favorite business stories is about a middle-aged manager struggling to pay his bills, so he decides to get some advice from a financial expert. The manager makes an appointment to meet with a well-respected financial advisor whose office was located in a swanky building on Park Avenue. The manager enters the expert's elegantly appointed reception room, but instead of a receptionist, the manager is greeted by two doors, one marked employed and the other self-employed. He enters the door marked employed and is greeted by two more doors, one marked makes less than $40,000 and the other makes more than $40,000. He makes less than $40,000, so he enters the door only to find himself face to face with two more doors. The door on the left is marked saves more than $2,000 a year and the one on the right is marked saves less than $2,000 a year. The manager only has about $1,000 in his savings, so he enters the door on the right only to find himself right back on the Park Avenue. The same doors lead to the same results. It's painfully obvious that the manager in the story will never get out of his rut until he starts losing to open different doors. The moral of the story is that most people are like the manager. They choose to enter the doors of life that lead them right back to where they started. The only way for people to get different results is to choose to enter different doors. Isn't that true? Like one of my mentors always used to say, if you continue to do what you have always done, you will continue to get what you've always gotten. Are you a 95% year or a 5% year? Just like the manager in the story, most people are caught in a rut because they are trapped in an endless cycle of financial frustration. Just like the manager in the story, 95% of the workers in most industrialized countries are employed. They make less than $40,000 per year and they save about $2,000 per year. At first glance, these figures look pretty impressive, especially to find who make less than $40,000. But the truth is, 95% of people in this world are not getting ahead. They are just getting by. Take a look at financial conditions of average US citizen at the age 65. How about you? Are you opening financial doors that will lead you becoming 95% year, or are you opening the doors that will lead to financial independence or even wealth like 5% years? I have got to believe that most people want more for themselves, more for their families, than being dead broke or still working to make ends meet by age 65. I have got to believe that if more people understood the full benefits of being a 5% year, there would be a lot more people choosing to open different doors in their lives. Imagine for a moment that time and money were not an issue in your life. Imagine being able to walk your kids to school every morning and never having to miss a school play or soccer game because you had to work. Imagine planning your work around your golf instead of your golf around your work. Imagine going on a vacation and coming back when you want to come back, rather than when your boss says you have to come back. Imagine paying off your car loan, paying off your mortgage, and paying off your credit card bills at the end of every month. Imagine that you are one of the 5% tiers, financial free to come and go as you please. Finally, imagine that by investing 1 hour of your life reading this book, you will discover what you have always been searching for, the key to wealth creation. The purpose of this book. Suppose you had the opportunity to become a 5% tier. Would you take advantage of it? I sincerely hope the answer to that question is yes, because that's what this book is all about. In the coming pages, you will learn that the secret to financial freedom is knowing which door to open. Copycat Marketing 101 will make you aware that most people are 95% tiers because they have been taught to copy people who are opening doors that lead to salary caps, dead-end jobs, and financial independence. In short, most people are copycatting the wrong plan. In this book, you will learn that the current system most people copycat is designed to create temporary income, not true wealth, because it's based on linear growth of trading time for dollars. You will learn that the key to true wealth creation is leverage, and you will learn about a dynamic form of leverage that wealthy people have been copying for centuries called exponential growth. You will learn that the secret to wealth creation is available to virtually everybody, including the people like you and me, because it's based on something that we already know how to do well, copycatting. Best of all, you will learn how average people can break out of time for money trap by copycatting a simple, duplicatable system of wealth creation that will open the door to financial freedom once and for all.